Good morning. Uh, Consumer Protection Act, though enacted for the protection of consumers, expanding the definition of consumers, legislative made so many amendments, but unfortunately, as done in Arbitration Conciliation Act, Labor Act, Chit Funds Act, the award, deemed degree of that award provision was not being incorporated in consumer code. Therefore, lot of problems are uh, created to delay the judgment of consumer court. According to me, the term forum is something different from tribunal or court. Tribunal is specialized court proceedings with some privileges in disposing it. But forum means an authority, mere report is sufficient, or so moto the forum can take appropriate action for the protection of consumer apart from the complaint specifically lodged by the private individuals or any legal entity. But that other provisions to implement a said order is being dragged to 227. Now 482 CRPC also invoked here the case law which I would like to discuss with you. There was a Bombay High Court judgment AR 2020 Bombay 315 Aurangabad bench Deepak Bhaskar Rane versus State of Maharashtra. 482 CRPC section 27(3) of the Consumer Protection Act was discussed. The brief case was that the complainant uh, deposited amount with the society in fixed deposit, and upon maturity of the said deposit, since she was not paid the matured amount, he filed a complaint before the district consumer court. All the complaints were allowed. There were several respondents to the original complaint. All of them were directed to pay the amount under fixed deposit along with 9% interest from the date of maturity of deposit till actual realization. Then execution applications have been filed by all the respective complainants. Initially, summons was issued to the petitioner who approached the Bombay High Court. Summons were issued but did not receive it. Thereafter, bailable warrant and non-bailable warrant has been issued, and earlier summons were not received. Later, the complainant providing correct address, non-bailable was issued on 29/11/2018. He was arrested and by the police, and he was produced before the court. He filed application for cancellation of non-bailable warrant. It was allowed. He has furnished the security and personal bond. Thereafter, the problem was that subsequently the forum directed him to settle the amount till 4 p.m. On failure, he was taken to custody by recalling the bail granted. Then this was been worked out before the Bombay High Court under 482 CR. They said Section 25 and 25 of the Consumer Protection Act should be summarily disposed of. Warrant was issued under Section 70, read with Section 7 CRPC. They have stated that there should be a proper opportunity for the respondent accused to explain why the delay in complying the order of the consumer forum. In absence of that opportunity being given, the straightaway imposing conditions seems to be harsh. Uh, the Supreme Court has said, since there was non-compliance, by obtaining explanation, or if you are not satisfied, would have passed sentence, that's what they say, but instead compelling them to pay amount on failure, recalling unbailable warrant not been accepted. They simply say section 27 of the Act is a summary trial as contemplated under section 262 CRPC. They have discussed about some Rajesh Gade case and Akurti J developers case, and finally they have stated that this cancelling bail was quashed and directed them to district forum to give an opportunity and adopt the procedure contemplated under summary procedure code. So this is the stage we are now standing, and it should be settled by Supreme Court, or the legislation better consider the judgment of district consumer forum, or whatever may be the forums enriched in the Consumer Protection Act, that those orders may be declared as a deemed degree, so that we can straight away file EP proceedings before the City Civil Court and execute the same. This is what I want to explain, and let us hope what is going to happen later on. Now, see, the virtual court, we are having lot of problems. In Tamil TV serial, there is one program, Cook with Komari, wherein they have to contest the target to cook certain dishes, but the anchors and the judges impose certain conditions, causing impediment in assisting each other for preparation. You would have seen that in such situations now lawyers we are facing day to day. The highly technical, financially influenced corporate advocate offices are managing. But see, today I have 5 cases. Out of 5 cases, all are nearing in the list. How can I manage with, I have 2 cell phone working. How to manage these 5 cases simultaneously? If we have opened 2 cells, this should not be nearby. If that is opened nearby, the proceedings will disturb. The other day, when the case was passed over, I was all along waiting, and the general instruction was that if we are not participating in the proceedings, our entire visual as well as audio should be muted. So I kept it muted, but when the court rose, the court officer told me that I was called thrice. I did not hear. Probably it was my impairment, or what had happened. Even the other side also did not know whether the case was adjourned or not. But that doesn't matter. That did not cause any prejudice to me. But these practical difficulty, how to get over, is the most important thing. And though I humbly request the committee judges, honorable judges, to work out some remedy to facilitate us to pursue the matters, so that we may answer the clients. And in Tiruvallur Court, I have filed an application that was returned after 1.5 months. In High Court also, one relaxation condition bail petition was returned only 2 months after. These things are we are facing. Best wishes.